Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a craft haul video. These are items that I purchased from Says Stamp, Joann, and Tuesday Morning. So let's get started. Okay, from Tuesday Morning, I picked up these really cute journals. It says Smile. Isn't it cute? And then you get the three that are located here. And they were all on clearance, which makes items super nice. I picked up this two-piece journal set. And I'll use these for note-taking on the side, on my desk, just to have them there. I love paper pads for that. Just keep them on my desk and use them. And then I picked up these stickers. These are all marked down. Awesome prices. This one by Bo Bunny. It's a Christmas one. It says Merry Christmas, Joy, Happy Holidays, and a tag. This one says Fa La La La, a bell, two bells, look like a little poinsettia note, and some greenery maybe, and then the notes up here. And this one by Bo Bunny, and it's has all these fancy looking tree, stocking, candy cane, sled. I think this looks like a snowflake, and I think it's a little deer or reindeer behind that one. And these stickers, I really love these stickers. They're called Typewriter. They're by American Craft, and they're like gold or maybe even rose gold with a little craft color. I thought these were super awesome. And then the most exciting thing that I purchased was this chipboard by Bella Boulevard. It's called Spooky and Sweet. Love chipboard. I am so low on my Halloween decoration craft supplies, so I was very excited to find this. Is $4.99. So you think $4.99 is kind of high, right? But no. But wait, you flip it over, and it's a 2-pack. So the second one is Christmas. I was so excited, just like that. I was excited. And then we have just a really cute chipboard with for Christmas designs. So that's what I picked up from Tuesday Morning. And then from Says Stamps, the first thing I have is these left-handed scissors. So they were on marked down, and I thought I'd purchase them. I've always had trouble with scissors growing up as a kid using them, and so if you're a left-hander, you know that there is a dilemma in the way that the blade is on the inside where you can't really see what you're cutting. But with the left-handed scissors, the blade is on the outside, so you'd be able to see exactly where you're cutting. So it may get a little learning curve in using these again, so I'm very excited about that. And then I purchased the Intense Black by Says Stamps. I heard this was really good. It's premium dye ink. It also specifically says that it's for alcohol markers. So excited to try that. And then I picked up some Doodlebug stuff. I think this is my first Doodlebug purchase. And I picked up these really cute sunflowers. And this little bear, he's saying... he's very cute. He's saying hi. Super adorable. And then this little fox, it says Fox and Friends. Look at his little friends. Little mushroom. And then I purchased this paper pad. 6x6 paper pad. And it's called Buffalo Check Wood Grain Rainbow Petite Prints. So on one side, it's all buffalo check. I have some buffalo check, but some of these colors I don't have. Blue and purple and brown. I really like that brown. And it's white and gray, and then black and white. And then on the flip side, you get wood grain. Now this isn't exactly what I expected in the wood grain, but it's okay. But I really like the paper pad overall. So that's by Doodlebug. And then I purchased this really cute Says Stamp set. And it's called Be Yourself. And these little bees are adorable. I did stamp them out. I used some Gina K Algama, I think it's called, ink or something like that. And when I went to use my alcohol markers, they smeared. So maybe I'll try the Simon Says Stamp ink and to see if it does better. Or use my VersaFine, which I normally use. So this is a cute little stamp set. And let's see, from Joann, I went there and I picked up this really cute ribbon. It's a red and then an orange, which is velvet, and then this gold twine with gold in it. It's really cute. And then I purchased these little natural palm leaf, little like appetizer plates, but I want to try to use them for something crafty. Super cute. And then they had the little bitty bowls. And I thought these would be really cute, maybe painted white on the inside with like those little Christmas trees. I don't know. I just thought they were adorable. So that's my haul from Simon Says Stamp, Joann, and Tuesday Morning. Let me know what you think about it below. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe. If you're my one of my current subscribers, thank you for subscribing, and I appreciate it. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.